We got ripped off on a PC case that I've been waiting 7 years to get my hands on. And it's gone, just like that. 7 years of waiting, out the window. For what? For broken glass. Broken glass? What are you talking about? We ordered the case. It showed up. Here it is in this box, which already is very conspicuous. Wouldn't you say? A little conspicuous, Kyle? Yeah. I think it is. You hear that? It's not rainfall in the Amazon forest. That's glass shards moving around the bottom of a box. When we got this, I was like, okay, a couple things moving. Maybe it's some screws. No, glass has shattered in here. Case basically unusable. I found this case by watching Linus. He unboxed it, showcased it, and I've just been waiting for the right moment. We made a video unboxing it, posted, and within minutes it blew up. So we've already unboxed this once. We thought we were gonna be able to send it back. We're kind of not sure what's gonna happen. Let me open it back up again, reopen the wound that's been created in my heart. We'll have to take a look at this again together. I'll kind of walk you guys through the damage. So here's what we see. This is the first indication. The glass shard, as you saw in the first video, and obviously you have the little cannon for the tank here. Try not to get glass all over the ground here so my guys don't kill me. Oh, pretend that didn't happen. Before I get into this, let's take a quick look at this little mess. If that doesn't break your heart, I don't know what will. There's something so visceral about looking at a shattered piece of case glass. Makes you want to cry. I know I cried. Overview of the damage we've got. Number one, I mean, look at all these, and I don't know if you can see this very well, but there's a bunch of kind of surface level scratches here. It's very kind of scuffed up, which sucks. This is supposed to be a glass panel right here. Obviously that's what had shattered. The side panels look okay. They're not broken at all. And then this is supposed to sit on top of that glass that had shattered. Really, it's that main glass panel here that shattered that we're kind of made it so we can't build in this system. The cannon is fine, so for what that's worth. Also the PCI brackets, you can see they've been dented in shipping as well. Not a great look for a case that is $400+ to show up on your doorstep like this. Certainly not something you would like to see. Now, on the videos that we've already posted that have kind of blown up, we had some comments of people saying, you guys staged this, whatever. Guys, honestly, not staged. This is a case that we were actually looking forward to building in. So getting it like this, obviously, we're gonna use it for content, baby, but obviously, we didn't stage it. You can look at the Amazon reviews of this product. It seems like this happens a lot. I don't know if it's because of the way it was packaged or some combination of it maybe just being poor quality tempered glass mixed with poor packaging. I don't know what it is, but either way, definitely not what we expected. Not staged. I was looking forward to this. It's a tank, dude. You think I would purposefully try to damage a beautiful specimen like this? No, I love memes. And now we gotta figure out what the hell are we gonna do with this thing? Okay, so this is where I actually need your help on what we should do next here. This was purchased through a third-party seller on Amazon, not through Amazon proper, third-party seller on Amazon. We sent it back with a return label to that seller, and it was returned to us within a couple business days. Now, this person either moved or went out of business or something, but the case ended up right back in our hands. And I'm very hesitant to do chargebacks on things like this, especially when it involves third-party sellers, because you'll find that most of the people selling third-party on Amazon are either, it's like somebody in their garage trying to make a few bucks flipping products, or a small business. It's usually not like a massive corporation selling tank PC cases. And chargebacks, if you guys don't know, it charges the merchant a fee. In addition, I'm sure Amazon charges them a fee, and I know that that sucks, especially for a small business or seller. So I'm trying to avoid that. We're kind of running out of options here. I really want an intact tank PC case before they stop making them. Have you guys encountered this before with a product that you purchased from a third-party seller on Amazon? Let me know in the comments. I could sure use your help on this one. So as you can see here, obviously not staged for those who may have doubted me. This is the label that we sent to go back to the seller, and you can see here it says return to shipper. Something not working over there. Maybe they moved, went out of business as I mentioned, but it was sent right back to us. So kind of sucks. So for now, the meme tank PC case is on hold until we figure out what we're doing there. But I have a couple other unique cases that I'm excited to do some build videos with. So make sure you're subscribed so you can check those out. Please hit the subscribe button, please. Check this out, the Z Tower. This is forged aluminum. They only made a handful of these, and we have it right here ready to build in. If you have ideas for that, let us know. Also, we recently did the Borg Cube PC build. This was a lot of fun. Guys, if you have any other meme PC cases that you think would be awesome to do videos for or do a review on, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully we can get the tank PC going soon. We'll see you next time.